YIC Yoga Instructors Course. Topic Raja Yoga. Let us know the hurdles while practicing the Raja Yoga and let us have the solutions as per the Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna is asking to Sri Krishna Deva, Chanchalam himanah Krishna pramadi balavadrudam tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Chanchalam himanah Krishna pramadi balavadrudam tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. The mind verily is, O Krishna, restless, turbulent, strong, and obstinate. I deem it as hard to control as the wind. Hard to control as the wind. Sri Bhagavanuvacha. Asamsayam mahabaho manodurnigraham chalam abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha gruhyate. Asamsayam mahabaho manodurnigraham chalam abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha gruhyate. Doubtless, O mighty armed, the mind is restless and hard to control, but by practice and non-attachment, by practice, abhyasa and non-attachment, vairagya, O son of Kunti, it can be controlled. It can be controlled. आत्मैपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः. आत्मैपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः. That yogi, O Arjuna, is regarded as the supreme who judges pleasure or pain everywhere by the same standard as he applies to himself. As he applies to himself. Sukamatyantikam yatta buddhigrahyamatīndriyam veti yatra na chaivayam stitaschalati tattvataha. Sukamatyantikam yatta buddhigrahyamatīndriyam veti yatra na chaivayam stitaschalati tattvataha. When he feels that the supreme bliss which is perceived by the intelligence and which transcends the senses and wherein established he never moves from the reality. He never moves from the reality. Yum jannenam sadatmanam yogi vigata kalmashaha sukena brahma samsparsha matyantam sukamashnute. Yum jannenam sadatmanam yogi vigata kalmashaha sukena brahma samsparsha matyantam sukamashnute. Constantly engaging the mind this way, the yogi who has put away sin attains with ease the infinite bliss of contact with Brahman. Let us know the solutions as per Maharshi Patanjali. Patanjali has given the steps to move to higher levels and it is called Samyama, called Samyama. Trayamekatra Samyamaha. Trayamekatra Samyamaha. Here, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi have to be done together. Focus, defocus, and jump. To prepare for this advanced samadhi, one must be able to get to samadhi anytime by learning the trick of absorption. This requires surrendering our attachment even to prana. Patanjali says that one must focus, defocus, and then jump to the next level of samadhi continuously. This is the threefold process of samyama which Patanjali speaks of. The type of samadhi that he talks are savichara, nirvichara, savitarka, nirvitarka, sananda, sasmita, sabija, nirbija, dharmamega, and kaivalya. Once again, savichara, nirvichara, savitarka, nirvitarka, sananda, sasmita, sabija, nirbija, dharmamega, and kaivalya samadhis. Through constant practicing, the yogi has cleansed his mind and attains bliss or Brahman. Higher samadhis will call for still deeper and higher purification. That is, the movement from Annamaya to Pranamaya to Manomaya to Vijnanamaya and then to Anandamaya koshas. As one moves to the higher levels, bliss also gets intensified. Bliss also gets intensified.